Nigeria Army to start operation in Ebonyi State. No be small thing, no. They say that they are there now to buy Biafrans so for inside Ebonyi State as it dey hot. But the statement wey that man make for there, he said that they proscribe indigenous people of Biafra. This Oluwatoyin, who is this army making this statement, it be like say you are on colors. Last 2-3 months ago, una court say they prescribe where they prescribe IPOB say e no stand again whether una still dey on colors, who no know. But however, we go find out how this thing take happen. As we dey talk that one, oh, they said that the security wey Biafra Liberation Army and resistance fighter neutralize some of their men for inside Anambra State don come outside. He say na bullet hit their motor, na make their motor come catch fire. Say no be them do am o. This one shock me sha, but however, we go watch the whole video together. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If this is not the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Yeah, my people, Nigeria Army don't come outside for this viral video. Come talk say for inside the Ebonyi State, they want start new operation. Say this operation now to go capture indigenous people of Biafra. We don't know who the people where they refer to. They no call Biafra ESN, they no call Biafra Liberation Army, but they say proscribe. Whether this man he need to go back to primary school so that they go teach him the words we go they use they doing presentation. My people, some people wait there for inside that army. Most of them now waiting with they call Olodo for inside school that year. He say proscribe indigenous people. Me say you are talking to Biafrans. Say all Biafrans are terrorists as you don't talk them for their map. But however, their court don't talk say the proscribe where they give IPOB say he no stand again. So wait till this man they talk about. Please, somebody need to lecture this man very well before he go come outside next time. Come they talk to public. But however, let's watch the video together. But the message we want send give Ebonyi State governor, don't allow them to turn your state like Imo State. Manage the situation where you get for hand for there now. If you invite them come as Imo State be, your state will be worse as it be now. But let's watch the video together before we come back and continue.
Festive season, and officers and soldiers of Nkwagu military cantonment are leaving nothing to chance in their commitment towards ridding Ebonyi State of all communal clashes and criminal activities. The Golden Dawn exercise, as disclosed by the commander Nkwagu military cantonment, represented by the commanding officer, 2 Special Women Operation Battalion, Lieutenant Colonel Oluwatoyin Ibrahimo, is part of the Nigerian Army's effort to curb insecurity in the southeast.
In conjunction with sister security agencies, the exercise is expected to consolidate on the ongoing operations against the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra and its affiliate group in Ebonyi State. Additionally, the exercise will be conducted based on real-time intelligence to checkmate prevailing security challenges. It is hoped that the year's exercise will record more successes than the previous exercises.
Flagging off the exercise, the state governor, represented by the Commissioner for Border, Peace and Conflict Resolution, Ebonyi State, Donatus Ilang, appreciated the Nigerian Army for the exercise and called on the people to eschew all forms of vices and support through useful information.
The activities they are going to carry out is to ensure that there is sustenance and management and maintenance of peace within the villages, all our localities and local governments, especially in warring zones.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch that talk pata where that man they here for a mat for that place. But however, they said that Simon Ekpa will be the PM of Biafra government in exile. Don't come outside, can't reply him. He said that the Biafra resistance fighter and Biafra Liberation Army is going to open a new front for inside Ebonyi State. As this man don't come outside, can't hear this talk pata for a mat. This one, latest update where they happen now. But as that one dey happen, some of this Biafra Liberation Army and resistance fighter wey neutralize this security for inside Anambra State. They say the security don come outside though with a new video, come show some things wey happen for there, and come talk say nothing dey happen, say men dey. We go play the video, make you watch before we come back and continue.
That place where they attack us yesterday with this, so we did there now. We did that place yesterday. As you can see, all this small matter we and them yesterday for here. All this small matter yesterday we and them for here. Yesterday being 5th of December. Yesterday is being 5th of December. And so we and them not come for here. Oh. No be small thing. And those boys, as you can see. See. As you see all these ones. Now that bullet. Oh. Now that bullet now can enter. Now that bullet now enter for tank. Then come touch tank. And then our motor come catch fire. As you can see. Now that bullet go enter for tank. See, directly from the tank of the motor, as you can see, the bullet touch enter our tank. Before you come touch burn our motor. Yes, men dey. This one a firing squad, no be saving a choice. No matter what's in the thing say them be. They are nobody. Because they are disturbing the peace of the less privileged. They are disturbing the peace of people. Masses.
Yeah, my wonderful people. Shebi, you don't watch am. I beg, may you leave your own contribution for inside this video and your own opinion for inside this video where we don't show you right now. And make sure you share this video as you did how to. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notification bell for a quick update. Yeah, my people, we'll go see you for the next update. I want us to talk about this video for inside comment section. Tell us what you think and what happen for inside that place. Okay, my people, we'll go quickly see you for the next update as it dey hot. I beg you, no forget to share this video. Very important.